All right, super awesome drone pilot slash robot programmers. We want to get this drone to run over this weird dog, and the drum set is in the way. We're not going to pilot the drone, we're going to program it to go around. So, in order to program it, we need to know a couple of things. We need some measurements, we need some data, and we're going to use one of these fancy tape measure. Now notice we're going to use this side with the metric system and the centimeters. Do not use this side of your tape measure. We're going to use this side instead. So I'm going to take a measurement from the drone to my obstacle. And that came at right about 24 centimeters. Then I'm going to want to take a left turn. We're going to call that 30 centimeters. Then from there, we're going to go, I'd say 35 centimeters. And then we'll go our 30 back in. So to program our drone, we go to the maps, our road plan section here. A couple of previous steps we're going to get rid of there. So I want to tell my drone to go straight, but I don't want to go half a meter. I want to change that to 0.24 meters. That's my 24 centimeters. Then I'm going to want to turn left. Now that's 90 degrees with a 9-meter radius. Those would both be bad things. So we're going to change that. To get to the minus to turn left, I'm going to double tap right here. Tap, tap. And 90. And then we definitely don't want a 9-meter radius. We're going to make that 0. So I'm going to turn left. Then I'm going to go straight. Again, not half a meter, but 30 centimeters. Then I'm going to turn right 90 degrees, but not at a 9-meter radius. That would be crazy. Then I'm going to go straight. I think we called that. Then I'm going to make another right turn, and notice what my map's doing there. Again, not a 9-meter radius. And then we'll go straight 30 more centimeters, and that theoretically will bring us to our goal, or it'll get us close to it, and then we can go back to the drawing board. So I have my plan. Let's hit play and see what my drone slash robot can do. We seem to have gotten close, but not close enough. But you see how we program our drones once we have data to make them proper robots. Go get them, robot drone programmers.